Hold it.
Say hi, James. Hi, baby. What is that?
I mixed the thing with water.
Oh my goodness, it's a mud puddle. Nice. Be careful. Go lay down on the thing or sit down on the blanket. Wow. What's that, baby? Wayne, don't put that in your mouth. There's two of them. Yeah. Wayne, what are you doing? You're raking something? What? Oh, is that water?
Yeah.
Okay, put water in it then.
I already put water in there.
I have to put water. Roman told me to ask you to put water in this because he said he would get mad if he asked you.
Sure is, because you did it so many times already. Earlier.
Just put water in it. Okay, so this video is long overdue. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering where I've been at. I will explain all of that in a different video, but for this video I am going to be showing you guys an empty apartment tour. I'm hoping to get everything done, like furniture wise and everything, by holiday season or like next year. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
So I hope you guys enjoyed our semi-empty apartment tour, and I can't wait to show you guys that fully furnished video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.